It's just the feel, the comfort, the power.
Milwaukee's kind of like the king of bandsaws. The new cordless Milwaukee bandsaw has all the power of a corded tool, if not more. It's all electronic, there's no brushes, there's no maintenance on it. It's the stuff that's coming around in the future.
I was surprised at how good it was. I kind of expected there to be at least a little bit of a drop-off from a corded to this one, but I could find none whatsoever. Still cut everything that I needed to and more. I mean, there's a huge benefit to not having to string cords out.
In the past, I've used other cordless bandsaws, and they just haven't had the power, and the battery life goes pretty quick. The new fuel saw has the power and battery life that I need to get through anything that I need to cut.
Most amazing tool I've ever used. Now you can do everything on the lift. It saves time, it cuts fast. Haven't run through a battery in one day yet.
The fuel, more versatile, don't have to always have a cord, really accurate. Speeds are higher to cut with.
I would carry this tool around with me all the time. It has such a universal use to it. That's the huge benefit to it. I can do so much with it, and I mean, it's built like a rock. It's a Milwaukee tool. That's what I love about it, is the durability.